Alright guys, we just got done with a scalloping trip and we have to clean these things. So we're going to show you how to do it real quick. We got about 1.5 gallons. We didn't get too much, but that's enough for a good sized dinner. So we do put them on ice here so that way they open up a little bit more. You can see some of these are open like this one. So this is the one I'm going to take right now and we're going to clean it. So they say that the dark side up is the best side to do. I don't know if that really matters. So we're going to come in here and we're going to take our spoon. You can also use a knife. And we're going to separate, we're going to come on the inside and separate the meat from the shell. Just kind of rub your knife along the top there. And once you do that, then you can open this up. So this white part here is the meat. That's the part that we really want to save. The rest of it is just guts. So we're going to kind of lightly bring our spoon around here and just kind of keep bringing this around. And it will just kind of work its way off that meat. Towards the end, I just kind of, oh, there we go. So now here's all your meat, and it's stuck to this bottom shell here, and we're just going to bring our spoon right around the bottom real hard there so it comes off and we don't miss any of it. This is a very small scallop, so it is only this big. We're going to take it here, and we're going to put it in our ice so we can eat it tonight. And that's it. So we got a whole lot more to do, and we're excited to cook these up tonight, but hopefully you enjoyed something, and we'll catch you guys later.